Instagram Caption English. Let's go. Wanderlust. Wanderlust. A strong desire to travel. Chasing sunset and wanderlust. Bloom. Bloom. To grow and flourish. Watch me bloom into who I'm meant to be. Serenity, serenity, peace and calm. Morning coffee plus mountain view equals pure serenity. Golden hour, golden hour. The time just before sunset when the light is soft. Catching the golden hour glow. Dreamy, dreamy, magical, soft, like a dream. This place looks absolutely dreamy. Cozy, cozy, warm and comfortable. Sunday mornings are cozy corners. Ethereal, ethereal, delicate and light in a heavian way. You look ethereal in that dress. Radiate, radiate, to shine or glow with a strong emotion. Radiate kindness always. Chasing, chasing, following or pursuing something. Chasing dreams and catching flings. Sun-kissed, sun-kissed, touched by the sun, sun-kissed skin and ocean breeze. Moody, moody, dark, emotional, or dramatic, moody skins and quiet nights. Glow, glow, a soft, warm light or shine. Let your soul glow from within. Aesthetic, aesthetic, visually pleasing and stylish. Living my soft girl aesthetic. Minimal, minimal, simple and clean in design or lifestyle. My vibe is minimal but meaningful. Soft, soft, gentle, delicate, emotional vibe, feeling soft and sentimental tonight. Wholesome, wholesome, pure, good, emotionally satisfying, a wholesome kind of love. Calm, calm, peaceful, and relax. Keep it calm always. Vibes, vibes, feeling, atmosphere, good vibes only. Muse, muse, someone or something that inspires. Be your own muse. Infinite, infinite, endless without limits. Infinite skies, infinite possibilities. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.